So to be clear, because in my head already,
Yeah.
and this is one of my limiting beliefs, is like, oh, well, this stuff is all great, but it comes at a high price tag, right? Especially like, for example, the biocharger that I tried out, that's a $17,000 piece of machinery. Like,
Yeah.
it's crazy. So the average person, that is not accessible unless you can afford to go to these wellness centers. And by the way, I just visited one here in Santa Monica, and she told me it was a $3,000 a month membership. I'm like, that is not for the average person. So, but your approach to biohacking, you seem to have things that are more accessible. So can you just share like a couple little of those things that the average person can just upgrade their life and their well-being with?
And by the time this is released, we will have the directory launched. So you can go to
Okay.
biohacking.directory. And we'll have hundreds. We're going to be loading it when this first launches, but stay tuned because we're going to put every single wellness solution, everything from that $17,000 biohacking solution, all the way down to like a quantum energy healing necklace. This is,
Okay.
I'm wearing a necklace right now that everybody thinks is like a dead relative inside, but it's got quantum energy healing balls. If you can watch this, I'll show you. But um, the main thing I think we all could do,
Mm.
breathing better,
Mm-hmm.
eating better,
Right.
eat for your biology. Go to smallhinges.health. There's lots of recipes there, but you can also order the test, which is not that expensive. You do it once a year, if at most.
Mm-hmm.
There's like frequency healing drops
Mm-hmm.
that could replace pharmaceuticals. But I want to give you a quick statistic. So, how much do you think I spent on mine and my daughter's illness over 5 years?
On all the other stuff leading up to before getting in that immortal chamber,
Correct.
probably a lot, probably thousands and thousands. I don't know, $30,000?
Probably you nailed it. It was probably like around 25,
Yeah.
$30,000.
Yeah, I can see that. And
And
that
it,
shouldn't be, that shouldn't be,
and we have insurance.
right?
We have insurance.
Oh, I
That,
know. Look, my hip replacement, you think, oh, I have insurance, but I still had to pay $5,000 on top of my insurance. Like nothing is just covered. It's
no,
crazy.
I was hospitalized 3 times
Hmm.
and she was in the hospital. She had multiple procedures done,
Yeah,
to try to diagnose what's going on with her. And then she did biofeedback like twice a week to begin with, and that's $65 copay for
right,
a specialist.
right,
It's just, and then the medication, and then all like just so
yeah,
many, and then seeing multiple doctors.
right.
So, all right, so you're going to spend $25,000 over the course of 5 years to try to get yourself to a baseline, to
Hmm.
like the first floor of your health. Like we were in the sub basement. We were
Right.
like basically in purgatory in hell, both of us.
Hmm.
And now I've spent $25,000 just to get myself to the lobby of
Right.
the building in my health because I waited too long
Mm.
to open myself up to the possibility of divine healing, and also to just have the faith that I needed to actually heal myself and my daughter.
Right.
Um, all of the things, there's so many things that are out there. Grounding is super important. So if
Mm.
you can't get outside and get your feet in the earth and you can't get sunlight on your body for at least 20 minutes a day, get a grounding. Go to antiaging.wellnesseternal.com
Hmm.
and get a grounding pillowcase. It's $200
Hmm.
on that every night. It neutralizes all the free radicals in your body so that while you're sleeping, your body can do what it's supposed to do while you're sleeping.
Right.
But we all go to sleep after like looking at our phones for
Mm.
17 hours in a day, and then we can't sleep because there's blue light. Maybe pick
Right.
up a pair of blue light blockers, you know,
Yes.
glasses that are $20,
Right.
on
Yes.
Amazon.
Great idea. Great
Yeah.
idea.
There's so many cheaper things, but like also just eating a little bit better, drinking more water, drinking clean water.
Hmm.
You don't have to spend a fortune on like those whole house filters. You can get
Oh,
the
I have a question for you.
Life Straw water filters are super cheap, and you just put them on your counter.
Do they get rid of fluoride?
I believe they do. You can literally like drink water out of a puddle.
Uh-huh.
It gets rid of
So,
everything.
you know,
So,
okay.
so fluoride,
I'm currently looking for something that gets rid of fluoride. And that's a
well,
whole other discussion, but with the pineal gland and all the things I was learning through Dr. Joe. But yeah. Anyway, I love what you're saying because there are small ways that we can all upgrade our health. And the very first thing is water and food, right? Things that we have to do every single day.